I think it's great actually. I think we're discovering, I've been doing a lot of work around London recently, and certainly we've started to discover that we need this common way of communicating. And actually with my customer at the moment, we had started to think that we can't do this alone, and we can't do it as a city government or as a set of organisations. So I think it's great that in terms of it's giving kind of equal weight to each of those different groups coming together. No, I think it's great. I think it needs to be very visionary. I think it needs to inspire people to work together, and I think that it needs certainly a roadmap to get there, but again it's about beginning with the end in mind, and I think the end is a great place, and it's all about building a better future for our cities. I think it allows us a way to engage with various cities. I think there are some cities that really get this, that really want to move forward on it, and that's great. It gives us a platform to really start working in hand with other organisations around those cities. And I think for others, it actually allows us to adopt a position where we can influence other cities in this regard, and it kind of empowers us along with other organisations to bring cities into the fold and actually to make this a very kind of open way of working and actually inspire cities, large and small, along the way. I think it's been fabulous. I think Barcelona have done very well to get this far in establishing that initial community. And I think what's very good about the conference is that it's been very proactive on establishing an action plan. So it's not a conference where everyone turns up, listens, participates, but then goes away again. So I've got a good feeling about the momentum that will be driven from it as well. And I think in terms of the governance itself, it's kind of hard, isn't it? It's on the one sense, there's having a blank sheet of paper and actually writing that from scratch. And on the other, we're looking to something like the Internet Protocol and the societies that surround that. So we're looking at something and trying to learn for something that's been established and successful. So I think it's a great idea to use that as a model, and then we can innovate on top of that if we need to.